Guys, let me tell you the honest truth about discipline. Discipline isn't something you just have. You have to learn it, and then you have to decide to use it. Where? In your business life, in your personal life, and very importantly, in your fitness life, the one where you are working towards a healthy, great future. You know, I learned in 19 years, discipline doesn't start when you feel ready. It starts when you decide to make that first step. Where? Just start. Start today. Start now, this moment. Start where you are. Start with what you have. Start with your insecurities. Start with what you already know. Start moving towards your goals and your dreams. Start and make mistakes. Start small, but start. Because the moment you start, you train your mind. You know, 2 Timothy 1 verse 7 says, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind." You know, discipline builds that sound mind. And that sound mind builds a strong body. And that strong body builds a stronger life towards a great future. That's where your magic discipline begins. So guys, I want to encourage you, have discipline in your life and you'll see how your future towards success is great and healthy. Have a wonderful evening and see you guys again tomorrow night.